Little 12-incher. Take it. Don't lose it. Don't lose it.
Yeah, down in that clear water.
Oh yeah. It's a fat spot. All right, now, yep. He was definitely swimming with it. Oh yeah, like first video. He may have it choked too.
That's a big hook, Jake.
Cause he was.
Oh, he's a big one.
He had it forever. Oh yeah. Don't come off. We need a picture later. Same thing. Yeah, I don't think they're gonna do all that.
They might eat that little ball head down deep.
I'm gonna definitely, if we go back into any pockets, throw that single on that 3/8 hook. That is what I'm out of. I was just so focused on coffee this morning that I should have went in there and got some Kitech swim baits. But man, gotta get a little B-roll. Guess I need to be back up here in the front of the boat with you. Oh, that's another fat one.
He's seen the videos, hasn't he?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe we'll get back on that sand. I think I thought that's freaking A.
You may roll it up? Huh?
He took off.
You still on there?
I don't know, I mean, I hadn't felt him shake, but he's definitely in that tree.
Oh!
You have him too?
Yeah, I had one. It was shaking in the tree, just like you said. They come off?
I feel him now.
Ah. Oh! Maybe. Oh, it's a bass. He ain't too big. Oh, he's just fighting it down. Doesn't want to come to the boat. Oh, we keeping this one in? Or nah? It ain't too big.
Like some long shake between his head. Oh yeah, I'm digging it like that.
Mmm.
You grab him. You got it?
Yeah.
Chunky motherfucker. Isn't it amazing how he might be picture worthy?
Yeah. Gonna be a little short.
I got it. Where Fluke's at, dude? Fluke misappeared. Largemouth. He wasn't.
He was, but there was sticks down there, and I almost reeled it up, and then I started feeling that wood, and I was like, yeah, it's probably gonna be able to get there.
He was laying out there where his little buddy was.
Think you handle mid-reel?
Yeah, I never realized it needed to tighten. You got it? I just figured them out. And I literally sat down, rigged up 2 rods, and we went on the catch fest. Every cast. And what? Straight up now, too. That to me sounds like some kid went and found one. Water right there. Oh. Yep. Basically pull the plug on it. Let me. I believe you, but oh, look at Mama down there, Scotty.
Had to put him on the other side of the boat there.
Look at that guy. That's a full grown in there. Look at that shaky head. He may cut my line. I was so on my game, it took me 45 seconds to realize there was a fish on it. Oh, come on, you're done. You ain't that big and bad anyway. But we like you. It's getting bigger as it gets closer to us. You know it?
Yep. That's a
mama pig bear in that treetop too.
something about the trees. That's a live well fish.
Oh. I don't know if it's just the water making it look big, but
Man, those spots fight good.
the drag on these reels is awesome too. The reason he's fighting is he's thinking to himself, that guy looks like he might have a fish fry. Maybe that 7-pounder we've been talking about all day. It's big, son. Oh, look how long it is.
Oh, have you seen it?
Yeah, and I feel it. Wait till you see it. That's only a 3-pounder too, dude. Imagine that thing was a 5.
Imagine a 7.
Yeah. He swallowed too. The whole time I was just kept thinking.
Yeah. He seemed jumping as he was coming up. Little one. Golly, look at his belly. All red.
You see the shadow of the follow line there?
Yeah, jumping.
Don't fall in.